Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
British Finance Minister Kwasi Kwarteng is set to meet Wall Street bankers a day after he met asset management firms and insurance groups from the City of London following market turmoil over his fiscal plans. Bankrupt crypto lender Voyager Digital said that crypto exchange FTX has won an auction for its assets in a bid valued at about $1.42 billion. London stocks fell as worries about potential central bank tightening to support a hammered pound knocked risk appetite, with the mid-cap index dropping 2.4% in its fourth straight session of declines. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 5.9% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. Facebook's stock fell 2.5% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Irish retail sales will be released at 1000 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1100 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1430 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 0600 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.